Oil keeps extending its gains with good potential for further growth, even despite an unexpected build in crude inventories. A slight pullback from three-year highs couldn't initiate a new trend on oil. The market has largely shrugged off the bearish factor of an increase in oil stockpiles due to limited export capacity in the US. So the increased supply will only be noticed in the US rather than in Europe and other regions. As we can see on the chart, oil stockpiles in the US went up by 4.57 million barrels for the week, ending on September 24th, after a 7-week period of decline. Analysts had forecast a rise of 1.65 million barrels. Yet, rising supply did not affect oil prices, so today Brent is trading steadily high at $78.35 per barrel, which is close to the levels from yesterday. At the moment, the quote is going through a correction stage, with new possible support levels found at $77 and $75 a barrel. Upon reaching these targets, the price may again reverse to the upside. WTI oil futures are going through a correction as well. The price is fluctuating near the level of $75 a barrel. After a short decline, WTI is likely to resume the uptrend. The uptrend will be cancelled in case the quote falls sharply to the area between $71 and $73 a barrel and holds there for a couple of days. As a rule, the situation in the energy market is reflected on Forex. A continued supply deficit provides support to the Russian ruble. Unlike other currencies, the ruble is holding steady and does not react much to the dollar's rally. It is currently trading within a narrow range. Whether and when the ruble will leave this range is hard to tell now. Two major factors can determine the ruble's value: its oil supply deficit on the one hand and gloomy economic forecasts on the other. Let's see which factor will prevail. In the meantime, the dollar versus the ruble pair has slowed down its pace of growth. The price bounced from the level of 73 and was trading flat for some time. The pair got stuck in the range between 72.60 and 73 rubles per dollar. Despite the oversold status of the US dollar, the downtrend on the pair will be possible if the quote settles below the level of 72.50. After a short sideways movement, the euro versus the ruble pair broke through the support level of 84.50 and continued to move lower. Analysts predict a further drop of the price towards the levels of 83.50 and 82.30. The ruble is likely to strengthen against the euro as it's supported by rising oil prices and a relatively stable economic situation in Russia. The ruble is holding steady against the US dollar, unlike other currencies. Oil shortage keeps the ruble stay afloat. Such factors as a rally in the oil market and panic around the energy crisis in Europe will continue to support the ruble. The question is for how long? At the moment, it has become clear that the growth potential of the ruble is limited. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.